What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? First, I want to thank you guys for tapping on this video. And second, I want you guys to make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can get all of your digital marketing, email marketing, and automation and traffic tips today. So, today we're going to talk about Quora.com. Now, Quora.com is a question and answer site that a lot of marketers are familiar with. But if you're not, we're going to go ahead and talk more about it. This is a question and answer site where it is highly indexed on Google. So, meaning if you can rank for a popular question, you'll get tons and tons of traffic to your website. I recently started actually implementing this in my organic marketing strategy, and I'm going to show you some stats here from just 2 days worth of work. So, a handful of questions that I've answered, and I've already got 412 views. But what you don't see is that I linked um, my free offer to a couple of these questions, and then when they click the link, of course, I've gotten 36 subscribers out of it. Out of those subscribers, it converted to about two calls, and I got one sale, so which is pretty high ticket. So therefore, it does show that organic traffic can yield good results. So mainly, we're going to talk about today is how to use Quora, and one, how to find popular questions to answer to really get your stuff ranked on Google. So the first step is really fleshing out your profile. So making sure that your bio is on point. Make sure you put your links in there as well, all of your credentials and highlights. And when you begin to make your profile, they're going to ask you certain interests. These are what they're going to use to populate with questions, right? And then if you go here, where it says answer is definitely going to populate with certain questions. And there's two ways you can do this. One is you can find the most recent question and just answer it. Now you're going to get some traffic that way, of course, and you're going to get some views, but it's nothing like going for the big guns, going for the actual huge questions. So that way, when you answer them, it can actually get ranked because that's what people are looking for. This actually doubles as not only you getting traffic, you can get a lot of organic content ideas as well to use on other social media platforms. So, for example, how many social media apps should you promote your business on? It has two answers, and it was asked on Thursday, right? So then once you click this and you can give a nice, pretty much valuable answer, you can get views, even though this one only has 25. This one at the bottom has 12. Over time, I'm pretty sure it'll get indexed and it'll only keep growing more and more. On the other hand, you can have a higher value question and then get tons and tons of traffic, which is what we're really looking for. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you the one way to get the most popular answers on the site. Now to get the most popular questions on Quora, you're gonna go here to where your profile icon is. Make sure you go to Ads Manager, okay? And here you're going to create a new campaign. But remember, we're not going to spend any money. We're just using this for research purposes only. Name campaign. We'll put test. Make sure you hit traffic. Put like a teeny budget down here, and then continue. They have to put a $5 limit down. And then here you will scroll down where it says in the targeting and hit questions. Okay. Now you would now and here where it says targeted questions, you would need to put down pretty much your target keywords. So 1 to 2 keywords to really describe what you're looking for. So I'm gonna put social media and then bulk ad. And then here I'm gonna type it again, social media, continue. Okay, and as you can see, these are all the highly rated questions. So how does social media affect our lives? It has 2,000 to 2,500 weekly views. So this is per week as of today. So that way, every single week is going to have these numbers. So if you could go on this particular question, and as you can see, it's followed by 450 people, 100 plus answers. Okay, the key to really wedging yourself in is to look at the quality answers that other people have written and see what you can add. Maybe something they missed or something that you can really bring a new perspective on. And that way you're able to get those upvotes and get those views. For example, this site has 31K views for this particular answer. So if you can really, do the research and find out where you can fit in and create something better content wise, then boom, you have instant traffic to your website. Also, on top of that, if we're going to revert back to here, you also have a slew of content ideas as well. If these are already going to be your top weekly views as far as the questions, then you can imagine how creating blog content, social media content can really, affect your organic traffic game as well. So keep that in mind as you're on Quora. So you definitely want to use this and try to find those hard hitting questions that you can get answers for. So I hope this video helped. Again, this is Brock. I love y'all and I hope to see you soon.